What's up YouTube, back in today with another video, and on today's video we're going to be changing some wheels up on my sister's Fairmont because we're bored. So the wheels on her car right now, she's looking at flicking on. We don't have tyres for the wheels that she wants to be running, so we're going to chuck on some Fairlane wheels that I had sitting in the garage and see what it looks like. I'm also tempted to change the grille as well. I've got a whole gang of grills in storage, so we might just bolt one of them on and see which one looks nice. For the time being at least, this will get the whole XR front end and everything swapped over eventually, so for the time being we'll just switch it up, see if we can make it look a little bit more unique. Yeah, when the XR front comes, all of that will get ripped off again, the wheels get changed. But yeah, it's going to be a little while away before we get to that stage. So enough talk, let's go get some wheels put on the car and see what we can do about this grille. Alright, so this is running some ROH ZS's or Z's 16x8. A low offset 06, can't remember. Doesn't matter, they're coming off, and yeah, these are going to be up for sale. So yeah, we're thinking of changing this grille. This is the stock Fairmont one. Gracie, what do you reckon? Boring, eh? What do you reckon? It's not great. Get out the car! To jack it up from?
Yeah.
Just jack it up from the floor pan.
Yeah, right there.
Please don't. Please don't. Oh my gosh. So no, I am not jacking it up from the floor pan, jacking it up from a little thing that goes across the sill to the chassis. It's pretty solid, so I'll jack it up from there. I'll take the front wheel off, swap the front wheel over, and then we'll see if it's actually going to look any good. If it's not, then we'll just go back to the original wheels, but yeah, we'll see if we can get this thing to look nice, so at least we can get rid of these wheels, clear a little bit more space in the garage, and it should be a win-win. Okay, in this absolute mess of a garage, I have a whole gang of wheels. So, we're going to go get the Fairlane ones out, which are down here. So once I've got these out, I'll chuck them on the car, see what it looks like. These wheels actually came off OG gear, which is my blue EF Fairmont gear. Got these off one of the boys back in the day, and give them a bit of a tidy up, put some new tyres on it. White walls. Got them looking pretty nice, so rather than have them take up space in the garage, might as well put them to use for a little bit. So these are them. White walls that are a little bit worse for wear at the moment, but still got plenty of tread, still nice rubber. Might get these redone if they stay on the car for a little bit, and yeah, it should be pretty much just a straight bolt on. So I resprayed these a couple of years back, hard and fast spray can job. Still looks reasonably good, just needs a little bit of a wash. Should be good to go. Alright, so we got one wheel on, looks pretty gangster. What you reckon, Grace? Alright, what you reckon? Okay, so we are looking into changing the grille now. So it has the original EF Fairmont grille on there. So I do have a couple of grille options in my stash from when I had an obsession of changing grilles every couple of months on my EF Fairmont way back in the day. I've kept all of them, so we're going to go through them and see which one's a good pick for this car. So this is the original EF Fairmont style, die-cast aluminium, plastic insert. That's already on the car, so we're obviously not going to upgrade to something that's already on there. I do have the EL Fairmont style one as well, chrome plated plastic inner as well. Looks nice, at least it's got a little bit of chrome on it. Probably not going to go with that one either. I do have the NF Fairlane style, which is all chrome plated plastic. This one is in very average condition. Chrome needs a good clean up. All the crossbars over here that's been coated black, that's all starting to flake off. So just judging on the condition of that one, probably not going to go with that one either. I do however have this DL LTD grill. This one's not perfect, but it's pretty reasonable at the moment. The chrome's not too bad. The inner areas of the fins, a little bit rough. I was just trying to cut some of the chrome away because it was all starting to flake. What I might do is mask all of these fins up, give that a real hard and fast spray with some black paint. That should tidy it up a little bit. So we're probably going to go with this DL LTD grill for now. Like I was saying, it's only temporary just to give the car a little bit of a different look. Now that it's got the Fairlane wheels on it, I think the chrome grille will actually suit this thing quite nicely. We'll go and unbolt the original one, give this one a go first and see how it looks. Alright, so the grills on the Fairmonts, the Fairlanes, the LTDs, they're all interchangeable. They all run the same style of bonnet. The grille is fixed the same way on all of them, so they're all interchangeable quite easily. They run a series of 7 10mm nuts. Loosen those off, the grille actually lifts away from the bonnet. Swap the next one on, tighten the nuts up. All done. But you will need a deep 10mm socket to do this to get access to the top 4 nuts. The bottom ones are quite easy, so we'll go open the bonnet and get this job done. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the original grill's out. So those are the studs where the nuts actually locate on. Super common for these to actually pull out as you're loosening them out as well. What you can do is just grab a pair of pliers, lock onto that, and then loosen the nut off if you need to. Sometimes these actually get stuck in behind the bonnet instead of actually coming off with the grill. And then on the reverse side of the LTD grill, the same mounting points as well. This is actually missing the rubber, so I'm going to try and mount it without the rubber and see how it looks. Worst case, I'll steal the rubber trim that's on the spare Fairlane grill, mount it up to the LTD one, and then bolt it on. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. It's got the wheels on now, it's got the grill on now. It's looking pretty spicy. A little bit better than the standard Fairmont look. And like I was saying, this is just temporary, so eventually the wheels will get changed. Eventually the front end will get converted to XR front. Obviously it'll have the whole Tickford kit and that sort of thing, so look will change a little bit then. But at the moment my sister doesn't have the money to actually spend on getting that painted up because her saw is in the paint shop. wait till that gets done first, and then we'll focus on this car. So yeah, like I was saying, that's pretty much it for now. Just a short and sweet video this time round, and yeah, until next time, chat.